It's look yummy, yummy and delicious, and I can't wait to eat it today. Look, it's so beautiful. Look how beautiful it is. It's like we have to share, and it's so yummy and delicious. We have 2 each for the day, and I can't wait to eat it. And thank God, we have yummy lamb chops for barbecue today. And I can't wait to eat it. See how lovely it is. See? So beautiful. That's the kind of lamb chops I like. And it's soft. When you eat it, it's so yummy and delicious. Hopefully you can watch it when I cook it. And I'll show you when I eat it today. And it's so delicious for every family in this world. Thank God for another blessing day. And I can't wait to eat it. Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to see you later tonight when we eat it and when it's ready. Keep shares and subscribe and show more people when you have this video. And thank God for His creation that we having food for us to eat each day. Without God, love and mercy, He created this world in Jesus. That's why He created us, because of His love for Jesus. If not, we won't be exist. Thank you so much, and lovely people, and God bless you. And I'm going to have this onion. Look at this onion. I'm going to put it in the barbecue, and I'll put it for about 2 hours, probably 2.5 hours, low cooking, to make it soft and yummy for the family to eat. Thank you so much. Looking forward to see you again next time. And have a lovely, beautiful, blessing weekend. God bless you, people. Keep love one another and keep peace, because God wants us to love one another, and one day we all go to heaven. Thank you so much for another blessing day. Love you, people. Take care and see you later.